For transitions, we can go here and click Effects, or we can go to Effect Workspace. Premiere Pro already has some transitions installed. The default transitions is the one with the blue box. We will create a transition between these two separate clips. We will add dip to white transition. Here you can change the length of the transition. To select multiple images, hold Shift, or if you want to select them all, press Ctrl+A. To select a new transition as the default, right-click on it, and now select all images in the timeline and press Shift+D. The default transition is now applied to all the images we selected.